Want to earn money on YouTube without filming, editing, or even appearing on camera? If you've been searching for a real, practical method, this is for you. Many so-called gurus keep things vague, but today I'm breaking down the exact steps used by successful cash cow channels. Welcome to Cash Cow Automation. In this video, I'll show you a proven system to build a YouTube channel that generates income without creating videos yourself. Stay until the end, because I've hidden a few secret words in this video. If you catch them and message me on Instagram, the first 5 people will get 3 free coaching sessions from me. Before we dive in, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and drop a comment below. Every month, 1 lucky subscriber gets a fully monetized YouTube channel for free. How this works. Making money on YouTube without making videos is not a mystery. You have 2 options. Hire a team to handle everything: script writing, editing, voiceovers, and posting. Do it yourself by using readily available tools and resources to automate content creation. Best part, you don't need to show your face or use your voice. List-based videos work incredibly well, and I'll show you how to create them step by step. Step 1. Set up your YouTube channel. Starting a new YouTube channel is easy. You only need a Google account to begin. Go to YouTube Studio and create a new channel. Choose a name. Let's say MindFacts Hub as an example. Customize your profile with a logo and banner. That's it. Your channel is ready. Now, let's move to the next step. Step 2. Pick a niche that works. Your niche determines how successful your channel will be, but not every niche is profitable. To ensure your success, follow these rules. Checklist for choosing a profitable niche. Evergreen topics. Pick a niche that stays relevant over time, e.g., psychology, finance, or self-improvement. Multiple monetization options. Avoid niches that rely only on YouTube AdSense. Look for those that allow affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and digital products. Specific but scalable. Instead of choosing gaming, narrow it down to horror game reviews or strategy game tips. Need inspiration? Go to Google, type your interests, and check WikiHow's hobbies list for niche ideas. Example, if you see MMA, type it on YouTube and analyze existing content. Step 3. Research competitors. Once you have a niche, it's time to analyze it. Here's how. Search your niche keyword on YouTube, e.g., psychology facts. Click filter greater than channels to find niche-specific creators. Look for high subscriber, low content channels. This signals high demand and low competition. By studying competitors, you'll find gaps in the market that you can leverage. Step 4. Find winning keywords. Posting random videos won't work. You need SEO-friendly keywords to rank and attract viewers. Here's the strategy. Use vidIQ, a free tool, to uncover keywords that successful channels use. Look for terms with high search volume but low competition, e.g., psychological tricks to attract anyone. Collect 20 to 30 relevant keywords before launching your channel. Step 5. Generate video ideas. Before uploading your first video, you need 40 video topics planned out. How to find high-performing video ideas. Open a competitor's channel. Go to their videos section and filter by most popular. Note down 10 to 15 trending topics in your niche. Repeat this process with 3 to 5 channels, and you'll have plenty of proven video ideas. Step 6. Create high-quality videos without filming. Now comes the actual content creation. You have 2 options. Option 1, DIY content creation, free and easy. If you want to handle content creation yourself, here's what you'll need. Scripts. Search forums like Quora to find real-life experiences and structure them into a script. Stock footage. Download free video clips from Pixabay and Pexels. Voiceovers. Use text-to-speech tools like 11 Labs or record your own voice with Audacity. Editing. Free software like DaVinci Resolve or CapCut will help you put everything together. Option 2. Outsource. Everything. Want to automate your channel? Hire cash cow managers who handle script writing, editing, voiceovers, thumbnails. If you're interested in outsourcing, DM me on Instagram and I'll connect you with my team. Step 7. Upload videos with proper SEO. If you don't optimize your videos, they'll get buried. Here's how to ensure your content ranks. Essential YouTube SEO tips. Use a long-tail keyword in the title, e.g., how to make money on YouTube without videos, step by step. Mention your keyword at least twice in the video description. Write an SEO-friendly description with additional related keywords. Add relevant tags, e.g., passive income YouTube, faceless channel ideas. This strategy will help your videos reach a wider audience and grow your channel faster. Final thoughts. Now you have a complete step-by-step roadmap to making money on YouTube without creating videos yourself. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and tell me what topics you'd like me to cover next. See you in the next one.